Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared two questions for you, and as usual I recommend you to stop video here, try to solve both questions on your own first, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So the first problem is true-false. In X chromosome inactivation, all of the X chromosome genes are inactivated, and this is false statement. Imagine that we have about 10 trillion cells, and females would have in each cell 2X chromosomes, and one of them would be inactivated. So two chromosomes would be one from the father side, another from the mother side, and so in each of the 10 trillion cells, except red blood cells, because red blood cells doesn't have chromosomes, and randomly this one of the X chromosomes would be inactivated. In some cells this would be a chromosome from the mother side, in others from the father side, and early in the development, when embryo is just few hundreds cells, this process begins, and then each cell would develop into the cell line, and all those cell lines would have also the same chromosome inactivated. So we can say that females would be chimeric for this trait, and if for example one of the chromosomes, X chromosome, would have some genetic disorder, so that means that in some cell lines we can see such effect of this genetic disorder, and in other cells we wouldn't see, because different X chromosome would be activated. And in males, of course, we don't see such a picture, because males have only one X chromosome, and every cell would have one active X chromosome. But in females, one of the chromosomes would form a Barr body. And next question: for a given autosomal recessive disease, Q equal to 0.01, where is Q is the allele frequency of the mutant allele, approximately what percentage of the population has two copies of the normal allele? And in order to solve this problem, everything you have to know is Hardy-Weinberg formula that give us probabilities and frequencies of different genotypes in the gene pool. And here is a formula. So F, that stands for the frequencies, equals to P squared plus 2PQ plus Q squared. And gene pool consists of, as you see, only two alleles, and this is alleles P and allele Q. So if we combine all the alleles P and Q, we are going to get 1. So as you see, we have three genotypes here, but only two alleles, P and Q. So this is going to be homozygous dominant. For example, capital allele A would stand for the dominant. Here we would have heterozygous, and here homozygous recessive. So as you see, if we know Q, and this equals to 0.01, so this is going to be 0.01, and now we can easily find P. So P would equal to 1 minus 0.01, so P would equal to 0.99. So now we know P, this is occurrence of the dominant allele, and now we have to find the probability that two alleles would be P. So what we have to do, we have to multiply p by itself. So p squared would equal to 0.99 multiplied by itself. Or we can say 0.99 squared. And answer would be 98. And this is going to be our answer for the second problem. So probability would equal to 98%. So the correct answer, E. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. And see you in the next video. Goodbye.